In this video, we'll learn about the emission of a neutron. Neutrons are emitted by some radioactive substances as a result of alpha particles colliding with the unstable nuclei. Such collisions cause the unstable nuclei to become even more unstable, and emitting a neutron increases the stability because the emitted neutron is uncharged. It can pass through substances more easily than the alpha particle or beta particles. So to recap, alpha particles are made up of 2 protons and 2 neutrons. They will be stopped by a single sheet of paper. However, beta particles are just electrons and can be stopped by a thin sheet of aluminium. Gamma rays are electromagnetic rays which require a thick piece of lead to stop them.